everyone, Steve here from Tech Toy Tinker and Retro Arena. I'm going to do a special video for you guys today showcasing authentic Dreamcast hardware using the serial to SD adapter. What I've been doing the last couple of days is I've been converting CDI images to boot from the SD adapter that are emulators. I want to give a shout out to Ian Michaels and Dub City and Mike Rocks for being helpful and supportive over the last few days, but especially Ian Michael. So as you can see here, these are a lot of there's Atari 2600, 5200. I'm going to shy away from, I guess I'll show you 7800 quick, but I'm going to shy away from the first couple just because they're not, 2600 doesn't work from VGA, and I'm using a VGA adapter, and 5200 you have to mess with it and set up the machine and blah blah blah, so I'll do a video on that by itself. It's not any different from on computer, but I'll do it anyway. Not every game works, just to be clear about that. Also, I was in the wrong set of games in the first place. Had I picked this Centipede, I suspect it would have worked. Aha! Easiest way is to just turn it off and back on to get out of it. Apologies for the black screen. Every time I turn the system on and off, you're going to get a black screen. It's pretty much unavoidable. This is Coleco. I think you get the point. Considering this came out in 2000, Dreamcast is a pretty big beast. In terms of emulation, there's Scum VM and a couple of things I don't even have in this video yet. I think about all in all, I'm going to be able to emulate about 30 systems, mostly from an SD card, in a Dreamcast from 2000. I'm not going to show this system just because it's going to make the video long to show unnecessary things, but this is Commodore Plus 4. It does work. I will show Amstrad CPC though. I probably pronounced that wrong, but whatever. Gotta restart the console again just to get out of the emulator. This one here, I put a lot of, not a lot, but I put a bit of effort into setting it up properly. I've separated all the games into alphabetical folders that are a few letters at a time. What this does is it makes ROM loading quick. You don't have to wait 2 minutes for it to load the entire directory because there's 800 games there. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Terrific job was done on the Sega Mega Drive emulator all around. It plays really well, as you guys just saw. I'm going to show you guys this too. This is Game Boy Color. There's also Japanese translations here that were done by Ian Michael. Game Boys run from the exact same emulator. I showed you Game Boy Color instead because it's the more demanding of the two, so instead of having to show Game Boy Restart, show Game Boy Color, I just showed Game Boy Color. This video is inevitably going to be 20-25 minutes. I'm not trying to make it too much longer. This is in television. This here is MAME. Actually works quite well too. I'll show you guys. I actually have the wrong version of MAME on the card, so I'm going to have to do that in a different video. I'm not starting the whole video over for that. I'm not going to show PC98, but it does work. I am going to show you SNES, or not SNES, NES though. What I think I'll do is for the few emulators that I didn't show for Time and MAME, I'll just do a separate video and show those, plus whatever else I add over the next couple days. So the issue is that Dreamcast, when it was a new thing, everything was done from a CD, so you always had to turn it off, change the CD, whatever. So nobody really thought of the idea of having the GDEMU or SD cards or things that you might actually really want to just close the application for. Hence the need to reboot every time. Neo Geo Pocket Color, Magnavox Odyssey 2. This is PC Engine, which I will stop and show. Scum, this particular image doesn't work properly. It's the games that I used, though. It's not Scum. Scum will boot and load. I just can't get the game to work because it doesn't want that version. It does work, though, and I will fix it. Much like everything else I do, this is an in progress or in development look at things. This is what happens if it doesn't like the game you're trying to load. See? I'll also be doing a video on the RG280V and Funkey in the next couple of days as well. I got some cool additions from Sakura Mods, and I wanted to show them off. Sega SG-1000, Sharp X1. I'm going to show this as well. This is Game Gear and Master System. Still a couple things left I want to show you guys. So these ones are pretty standard. I'm going to do them in a different video. The ZX, Vectrex, and Thompson. The last two I'm going to do are SNES and MSX. When using the SD card, CD will be your SD card when you're using an ISO file like this. I've also included the translated JRPG files. I'm going to show you guys MSX quick, and then we'll call it the end of the video. So this is MSX. There's actually one last thing I want to show you guys that you can do with your SD to serial adapter. Now, for some reason, it's not working in RetroDream 3.0, so what I did was I have RetroDream 3 on the CDR, and I have RetroDream 111 on the SD. So to do that, you just basically keep the old setup or find the old binary, and then you just launch it like this. The reason for that is because for some reason I've been having issues with Atmoswave. I don't know why. It's probably just me, but so now we're going to play Atmoswave Dirty Pigskin Football. Dolphin Blue and King of Fighters and that other good stuff works as well. It does take a minute to load though. The Dreamcast isn't exactly known for being fast at loading certain things. I might have to turn it off and do a fresh boot without having booted into anything else first. Let's just try that. It's almost a half-hour video. There we go. If you go back and watch that real close, you'll notice the loader version changed from 0610 to 060. As you can see, no serious lag. It's going to about do it for this video though. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. There's no way to pause during an Atmos Wave game. As I was saying, that's going to about do it for this video. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be doing another video, maybe 2 videos on the Dreamcast stuff as I work on it more, and of the systems that I didn't showcase in this video. And that's about it. Anyways, thank you. Take care.